Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to make the trunk release into a electronic trunk release, because right now this is a cable trunk release for this Honda Civic 2006, right? So I want this trunk release to be electronically controlled, right? So there is here's the latch, and I believe I can buy electronic one, but right now I don't really have to, because I have this old-fashioned motor, right? This is actuator. Actually, when you control this, we're just gonna go from there, and it will pull like that. So this is gonna be my motor for my trunk release. So probably I'm gonna put it in here, and this wire is gonna hooked up into this lever. This lever here. This wire is gonna hooked up there, and this motor is going to pull it electronically. So yeah, let's do that. But first, we're gonna have to remove this latch first in order for us to get access. All right, so before we proceed with install, I want to make sure that this actuator works. So let's test it. Hook it up to the positive and negative battery here. So you got only two wires there. So if you go, as soon as I hit the negative, it should work. There you go. So that means it works. Pull it out a little bit. Connect it. There you go. We have a trunk release. So now I remove those. There's two screws on this plastic piece here. So there's one here, and one over here. So it should come out like that. And this is the plastic lever. You're gonna flip it over. It says open, right? And this is where we're gonna go to connect the actuator. So I'm gonna make a hole here so that we can pull this out every time we release the button. So now this is what I did. So you see, this is the wire. So every time you press the trunk button, this wire should pull by the actuator like this, right? So that's it. That's how it should release the trunk every time you press the button. So as you can see, I use a rivet nut to hold in the actuator in place. Okay, so now I got it installed, right? So here's the actuator, nice and firm there, bolted up, and the wire all the way to this lever here, right? So that's what it looked like. So let's say if you're gonna lock it here, right? And if you pull it, there you go. Right? Okay, so I got a relay here hooked up to my remote system, and then all the way to the back. Right, so here's the wire that I put, and everything is complete. Right, so here's the actuator, ground, and everything is set up. So let's try it if it works. So close the hood, trunk. And here's the trunk here. There you go. One more time. There you go. Okay, so it's actually done. Actually put a button here, so just in case, a lot easier. There you go. Open the trunk, close it, press the button here. There you go. And then remote. There you go. That's it. Thank you for watching.